A cable organizer case prevents tangling, protects accessories, saves space, and ensures quick, easy access during travel or daily use. Today's video is about top 5 best cable organizer case that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at BagSmart Travel Cable Bag. The BagSmart 2-layer cord organizer is a thoughtfully designed storage solution for anyone who carries multiple gadgets and accessories. With a smart layout featuring 7 different sized mesh pockets and 2 large compartments, it keeps cables, chargers, earphones, and small electronics neatly separated and easy to access. No more tangled wires or time wasted searching through your bag. Despite its generous storage capacity, the organizer remains impressively compact at 8.27 inches by 5.12 inches by 1.97 inches, making it easy to slip into a backpack, briefcase, or handbag. This balance of space and portability makes it perfect for both daily office use and travel. Built with water-resistant fabric and protective padding, it adds an extra layer of safety for your valuable devices, ensuring they stay secure from spills, bumps, and scratches. Whether you're on a business trip, weekend getaway, or commuting daily, it keeps your essentials organized and within reach. Stylish, lightweight, and highly practical, this cable organizer also makes a great gift for students, professionals, and frequent travelers who value convenience and order in their tech gear. Now our second product is Gadget Mini Travel Cable Organizer. The Travel Tech Organizer is a smartly engineered storage solution designed for modern users, especially photographers and frequent travelers. Its innovative dual opening system stands out, offering a 90 degrees half-open mode for quick one-handed access and a full 180 degrees open mode that maximizes internal space for easy packing and organization. Compact yet practical, it measures 7.48 by 5.12 by 3.35 inches and weighs only 0.35 pounds, making it highly portable without sacrificing storage capacity. Inside, it offers versatile compartments, including dedicated card storage for SD, 4, TF, 3, and ID cards, 1, along with space for chargers, USB cables, power banks, hard drives, mice, and headphones. Built with premium water repellent, shockproof, and abrasion-resistant materials, it ensures reliable protection for valuable electronics. The thoughtfully designed elastic slots and compartments keep items neatly organized and secure. For added safety, it features a durable zipper with triple lifespan performance and a hidden pocket for extra security. Overall, this organizer blends durability, functionality, and convenience, making it an excellent companion for travel and daily tech management. Our third product is Travelkin Cable Organizer Bag for Cords. This charger organizer is a practical and well-designed solution for keeping all your electronic essentials neatly arranged. With ample internal space, it can easily hold chargers, cables, cords, SD cards, SIM cards, phones, and other small gadgets. The smart layout allows quick access, making travel packing and unpacking much more convenient. Built from high-quality nylon, the case is both waterproof and scratch-resistant while remaining lightweight. It also helps prevent cable tangling, keeping everything clean and organized even during frequent travel. One of its standout features is the unique telescopic and expandable design. The front layer expands to provide up to 30% extra storage space, making it more flexible for heavier packing needs. The double-layer structure ensures better organization and reduces clutter by separating different items efficiently. Measuring 8.3 inches by 5.50 inches by 2.15 inches, expanding to 3 inch, and weighing only 0.43 pounds, it easily fits into backpacks or handbags. Ideal for business trips, vacations, and daily use, it's a reliable travel companion and a thoughtful gift for frequent travelers who value organization and convenience. Now number 4, Imangu Travel Essential Electronics Organizer. This travel electronics organizer is a compact and efficient solution for keeping small tech accessories neatly arranged. With interior dimensions of 6.5 inches by 3.2 inches by 1 inch, it is designed to fit easily into backpacks, handbags, or laptop sleeves without taking up extra space. It is especially suitable for business trips, airport travel, or daily student use where portability matters. Built with ultra-durable EVA material and a soft inner lining, it provides strong shock-proof protection for essentials like smartphones, power banks, cables, and earbuds. The tangle-free design helps keep everything organized and ready to use, making travel more convenient and stress-free. Inside, a mesh pocket allows secure storage for cables and memory cards, and it can also accommodate items like Apple Vision Pro batteries or Anker PowerCore devices. The water-resistant exterior adds extra protection against light rain and spills. Lightweight yet durable, this organizer is ideal for daily commuting, flying, or college life. It makes a practical gift for students, professionals, or frequent travelers who want a simple way to keep their gadgets organized and protected. And our last choice is Coworkso Small Cable Organizer Case. This electronics accessories case is a well-built and practical solution for organizing your essential tech gadgets. Made from premium waterproof, shockproof, and heavy-duty material, it offers excellent protection against scratches, dust, impacts, and accidental drops. The semi-flexible padded interior further enhances safety, keeping your devices secure during travel or daily use. With external dimensions of 7.5 inches by 4.3 inches by 2.2 inches, the case remains compact while still offering enough space for important accessories. Its smart double-layer design includes 2 compartments, allowing you to neatly store items such as power banks, mice, hard drives, USB cables, chargers, memory cards, flash drives, and earphones. This helps keep everything organized and easy to access. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits into backpacks, handbags, or luggage. The added hand strap improves carrying convenience, making it ideal for both travel and office use. It also makes a thoughtful gift for students, professionals, or frequent travelers. Backed by responsive customer support and a replacement or refund guarantee, this organizer ensures a worry-free shopping experience along with reliable everyday functionality. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.